We have a photo shoot today at a brand new Korean barbecue place.
I'll show you. It is called Rib Number 7. It's actually not on the 32nd Street, K-Town.
Yeah, this is on 33rd Street. I think it's newly opened, and we came earlier off hours so we could have some quiet time for the photo shoot.
Yes. We're taking photos for 2 appetizers and 1 meat dish today.
Yeah. Initially, we thought we were going to do the whole menu, so we came super early, but this is good. Less work. Mask on in the restaurant, and we are gonna get started with our first appetizer. Appetizer, right? Okay.
Yes. Not sure when it's coming out.
We're ready. The theme of the restaurant is a dark color theme. Check out what we did. Boom.
This is our black backdrop using an apron, and here's our second apron.
Whatever gets the job done.
Yes.
So, do you still get a little nervous before every shoot?
No, because I'm not the one actually taking the pictures.
Oh, you're the one setting it up. If it doesn't look good, I could blame you.
Like, oh my gosh, my photographer. Blame it on the photographer. Tell her you have to come back. But it seems like we're gonna come here multiple times to take pictures of the whole menu.
Yeah.
So there's 25 menu items. We're doing 3 today.
4?
4?
3?
Something like that. We'll see.
The last time it went pretty well, but this time it's more of a professional menu shot.
Yes.
Hopefully it goes well.
Yeah. Actually, it looks better without the apron. The table looks better. But originally we had the black apron on because they wanted their menu to be a little darker. Well, we'll see what Photoshop can do. Look at this super cute egg yolk. So tiny, as small as the flowers. No light, light, super bright. Dishes down. How do you feel?
It was a little exhausting. I don't know.
3 dishes and it's exhausting.
I'm just thinking about the amount of editing I have to go through. With
Yeah, the editing takes much longer than the actual photo shoot.
Yeah, this is a menu item, so it's gotta be menu worthy.
Yeah, has to be consistent, has to look nice and elegant like this.
Like that? Will you take that screenshot of that?
Yep, just like this.
And then we just have 2 desserts left. I believe they're ice creams and
Yes.
other stuff.
Yes. Oh my gosh, imagine it was the whole menu.
Thank goodness it's not.
And we'd stay here for until midnight.
Yeah. This is a great place because they value quality over quantity.
Yes, yes, yes. Look at this beautiful dessert.
This is very time sensitive.
Uh-huh. Wow, it's so yummy looking. It looks like black sesame with some pocky and some flowers and mint. Then gotta work fast. It's melting, it's melting.
Last one's ago. Beautiful town ice cream.
Yes. Look at the flowers, the pocky, the mint, and the taro. 3 scoops of taro ice cream.
We just finished.
Guess what we get at the end of the workday? ice cream. We got the taro and the black sesame, and some pocky, and some mint, and some leaves. Ben asked if we could eat these leaves. I don't think they're edible. Let's dig in.
You work hard, Ming.
Look how cute these shovels are.
Shovels. They are shovels.
Oops, sorry.
Still takes too long. These ice creams are pretty damn good.
Yeah, and these shovels are really good. They go well.
It's very melty now.
Yeah, especially that one. I like this one.
Yeah.
I like taro more. Black sesame is not my taste usually either. Oh, I don't want it to drop.
This is one of the perks of doing food photography. You get to eat the food after, most of the time.
Most of the time.
You will most likely come back to this place for a tasting in the near future.
Yeah.
We out.
We are out. 5 dishes later. 2 hours later.
And they're still not open yet.
Nope. Wow. Good. And now we're in Koreatown.
That's what a behind the scene looks like
Uh-huh.
at a menu photo shoot.
Oh man. Yes. Each dish you take like 30, 40 shots.
Hoping for one.
Hoping for one good one.
Yeah.
After a lot of editing.
Yeah, and I currently have about 4 or 5 shoots backed up. And if you want to see the finished products,
Be sure to check us out on our Instagram, instagram.com/thebingbuzz.
yeah, the picture should be up within the next few weeks or so.
Yes.
You can also check out our past work.
Yes.
And that's it. Till next time.
Bye.